After decades of exile, the Jewish people could finally return to their homes and rebuild their fallen capital. However, they faced many threats from their enemies, who were willing to do anything to disrupt their project. When we started building our city, somebody was quite distressed. This young man, Sanballat, reviled us, saying, "Weaklings need some rest. All these cowards can't build defenses. Can they even sacrifice? Still, they'll build this town before sunset. Surely ashes will suffice." Then Tobiah, someone from Ammon, told us foxes break their walls. Listen, God, our enemies hate us. Pay them back and make them fall. Let a foreign country enslave them. All their sins must be exposed. They've enraged our God in our presence. Don't ignore our sinful foes. Anyway, the project continued. All the men were keen to work. Soon we finished half the construction. All our rivals went berserk. Ammonites, including Tobiah, Ashdodites, and Arabs too. With Sanballat they would conspire. Stealthily they'd fight the Jews. They believed that if they destroyed us, they would end our people's dreams. Thankfully, some Jews lived among them. They'd reveal those villain schemes. I made sure the people had weapons. Then I called both slaves and lords. "Courage, men, let's fight for our families. God will be our mighty sword."